Assalamu alaikum Omar, how are you doing?
Walaikum assalam. I am fine and good. How about you, Ahmad?
I am okay Alhamdulillah with your prayers. So I would like you to introduce the daily routine of Madrasa Muaaz Bin Jabal.
Okay, I will try my best to make sure I cover the whole daily routine just in 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
We wake up early in the morning at 4:45 to offer tahajjud and pray for whole ummah. Then we recite the Holy Quran and do some zikr till Fajr's call. After Fajr's call, we perform Sunnah and perform Fajr Salah with congregation. Then we recite Surah Yasin and perform Ishraq Salah. After Ishraq Salah, we go to take our breakfast. Then we have time to ready ourselves for classes. Then we sit in group in Khatma Khwajgan up to 7:45. So let me tell you that we have 7 periods in a day, 5 periods in morning and 2 after Zohar. We attend our 5 periods up to 11:30. Then we have time for taking lunch. Then we eat till 12. Then we go to take nap up to Zohar Salah. After performing Zohar Salah, we recite the Holy Quran. Then we attend our remaining 2 periods up to 4:15. Then we have complete our assignment up to Asar. After Asar, we go to play karate, football, cricket till Maghrib. Then we memorize our lesson up to Isha. After Isha, we sit in Talim in 3 different groups for Arabic, for English and for Urdu. Then we go to take our dinner. After dinner, we again sit for memorizing our assignment and completing our work up to 10:30. Then we go to sleep. So this is our daily routine which we spend our whole day according to the way of Prophet.
Thank you very much.
हे मुआज बिन जबल एक हसी दर से गा अपने गुफ्तार में अपने किरदार